Hi again, it's Professor Monty. Let's look at how to add and subtract rational expressions that have opposites. Okay, so I put a note, a minus b and b minus a are opposites. So we're going to simply multiply one of them by -1 to get the other. Let me show you an example. So first we just have x over 6 minus 2x minus 3 over -6. And we need a common denominator in order to subtract or add fractions. So since these are opposites, all I need to do is multiply this by -1 to get that. But anything I do to the bottom, I also have to do to the top. -1 divided by -1 is 1. I'm not changing the value of the fraction. Okay, so I'm going to distribute this one through. This one just goes there, makes it a 6. So now I get x over 6 minus, and this is -2x plus 3 over 6. Now they have the same denominator. Remember, what I like to do is when I have subtraction of rational expression, I like to make that addition of the opposite. So that plus is going to change these signs in here to their opposites. I just change all the signs. So now I have x plus 2x, which is 3x, minus 3. And on the bottom, I just have a 6. I keep the denominator. But notice what I can do now is I can factor the top. Factor out of 3x minus 1. And a 6, and now I can reduce. 3 goes in here once, goes in there twice. So my answer is just going to be x minus 1 over 2. Okay, so that's the idea. We're going to try that again. I'm going to use this trick where these are opposites, and I'll show you what I mean by opposites. And here's how we know. I'm still going to multiply this one by -1 over -1. Now, if we think about it, what's happening here? This -1 distributed in makes that a -3 and a plus x. Well, I changed the order and it's an x minus 3, which was this one. So that's why we say they're just opposites. So now by multiplying by -1, I have x squared plus -9. And on the bottom, let's do this as two separate fractions. I have x minus 3, and this one, since I multiplied by -1, changed to an x minus 3 as well. So now I have x squared minus 9 over x minus 3, common denominators, and I can just add straight across. Well, top factors, x plus 3, x minus 3. Now I can cancel out the x minus 3, and my answer is just x plus 3. All right. So that's the idea about multiplying by opposites. You just multiply top and bottom by one of the fractions by -1 over -1. And then if you have something in the form a minus b, it just flips it across the subtraction sign, makes it b minus a, or 3 minus x to x minus 3. That's the idea. It's not too hard. Don't try to make it too difficult. But by finding opposites, it makes it a lot easier to work through the problem.